Hey everyone, this is Cosmic Crypto, the DeFi Degen, coming to you with a video on LOKI. OXEN. So LOKI is a project that I've been involved with for several years. I've been running nodes for them. They started out as basically a Tor, like a blockchain version of Tor, and they started with a fork of another privacy coin, Monero. And they have since, Monero's proof of work had the CPU algorithm. Kind of gets a bad name because a lot of botnets use it and mine Monero. But Monero is one of the few privacy coins out there that I think has actual traction. If you know what you're doing and use it properly, it is anonymous and private. So they have been around for a few years now, 3 years. They have a node network, so there's like 1,200 nodes now that people run. I run one that you stake LOKI, and you get every so often you get the block reward. It's a proof of stake. They just recently moved away from the proof of work they were on a different type of algorithm that Monero was, but it was similar. But now there's no more proof of work on this network. It is only proof of stake with the nodes. So they had a huge announcement that they're going to rebrand to OXEN. And I think the main reason for that was LOKI is a Marvel character, and there's a lot of SEO issues with searching for LOKI. So I think they've kind of staked this name out, and I feel like with as far as the search engine, they should be able to do a lot better with that. So that's good. Another thing they had going on is a project they called Chainflip that was supposed to be a way to cross-chain trade out like Ethereum for Bitcoin, like in the native chain, in their each native chains, or XRP or whatever chain you wanted to switch out to. They were gonna start implementing that, but I think they. They're already in kind of shady. They have a foundation, a nonprofit, but just given the privacy nature of what they're doing, and governments really don't like this stuff, adding the monetary aspect of the money changing, they thought was, or their legal team told them was a bad idea. So now they are going to spin off this Chainflip group as a separate entity. For just regulation reasons, but OXEN is going to keep going as it should have, in its originally intended vision to be a privacy network built on the internet. So I think one of the biggest things to me out of this announcement is that they're building. So they've basically had to solve a lot of problems and do a lot of things that no one else has ever had to do through this process they've done. And they are going to build now developer tools that allows others to leverage the tool set that they have built to create their own apps. So this is really where the magic happens, and this is really going to determine the success of this project is the amount of developer outreach they can do and just get people building on it, because the stuff is here to do a lot of really cool stuff. So again, they're changing the name to OXEN from LOKI. That token will just be renamed, and they're going to do rebranding. They are going to have an airdrop for if you're staking on a service node, you don't have to unstake. You'll get some of the flip token, I think they're calling it, airdropped. So that's pretty cool. But otherwise, it just seems like that they are. I think there's a lot of information here, so I think it's a little bit confusing on the messaging, but they had to do it. And again, this project has always been confusing to try to describe because it is very groundbreaking and just interesting to me. I'm still a fan, not financial advice, but I do run nodes and I do own LOKI. All right, thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.